Hello everybody! In my previous video I talked about Channing Pollock and his magic, so if you haven't seen that one, then check the link in the description, because then this video will make much more sense. Today I want to talk about Channing Pollock and his career as an actor. So especially for you and especially for this video, I collected, I think, pretty much all the material, all the film material which features Channing Pollock. And I'm really excited to show this to you. My name is Alex Romanov, this is Art of Impossible, let's begin! Pollock once said that he earned more money from his movie career than from magic. And this is pretty impressive because he never became a global movie superstar, although he had several major roles in films and series. His on-screen image was very similar to his stage persona: calm, serious and confident. So let's have a look at some of the films which featured Channing Pollock. His acting career started with The European Nights, a film which was essentially a collection of vaudeville performers in which Channing made a cameo appearance and performed his famous act. After that, in every film where he starred, no matter what role he had, there was inevitably a scene where Pollock used his skills as a magician. In quite a strange French film, Judex, Pollock appears in a bird mask at a party where everyone wears bird masks and does tricks with birds. The final scene of the film shows Pollock walking on the beach with a beautiful woman that he loves. When the time comes for the final kiss, Pollock first produces a dove. Yep, magic first and then everything else. In the Italian film Rockola from 1963, Pollock has the main role, Rocambole. This is a character from books by a 19th century French writer Alexis Ponson du Terray. Rocambole was created in the spirit of romanticism, an adventurous, charming, smart con man who does more good than bad. In this film, Pollock does a lot of very cool things. For example, he escapes prison using card tricks as misdirection. I don't speak Italian, but this scene speaks for itself. Selection of multiple cards, then revelation, then an impressive color change in spectators' hands.
Incredibile!
Card spring during an offbeat moment, and escape. Very bold method to escape prison, but apparently it works. He also demonstrates some fighting skills. He performs escapes, he robs a lot of safes and always leaves a playing card as his signature, sometimes entertaining himself with a casual card production. He also can cheat at cards. At some point he uses cards as a misdirection again to escape inevitable death. He does some impressive vase throwing, demonstrates smooth top-it work, and shows off some more card moves. And he can do sword fighting. And dance. Who wouldn't want to become a magician after watching this film? I mean, James Bond is an amateur in comparison with this guy. Red Sheikh, another film with Pollock. There is a scene in which he impresses a beautiful girl with some casual jewelry magic and then performs some visual card magic. He is so good at it that he does not care about angles. And he's also master of disguise and illusion. In an episode of TV series Daniel Boon, which depicts adventures in the Wild West, Pollock uses his magic to become a god. Only to be exposed at the end.
dropped a small web over the headdress of Champay. This is what made it fly into the air. He's not a god, he tricks us.
I have lost honor in the face of my brothers. I am Mantiola. I am a god.
In another series about Wild West, Bonanza, Pollock appears in a scene where he first acts like a sucker, only to show off his card skills later and play some 3-card Monty. And that produces the best reaction to a magic effect that you can ever get. I will leave the links to these movies in the description under this video so you can make yourself a fantastic Channing Pollock movie night. And please tell me in the comments if you know other magicians who made career in film industry, and maybe I will talk about one of them next time. Thank you so much for watching. This was Art of Impossible. My name is Alex Romanov. I will see you next time.